Advent monsoons have come to most of India, and so no surprise that it rained in Mumbai. And no surprise at all that all the claims about the city being prepared for the rains was washed away once again. Now, yes, this was the highest 24-hour rainfall since 2019 in the city. But is this what India's richest city, a city that pays the maximum amount of tax, should be reduced to? The visuals are on your screens. Severe waterlogging, crazy long traffic jams, trains moving through water, flights cancelled, and a helpless chief minister asking citizens not to step out unless strictly necessary. India's financial capital was choked today. Schools, colleges were shut. Both houses of the Maharashtra legislature had to be adjourned after members failed to reach the Vidhan Bhavan. Just take a look at the pictures that have come to us through the day today. First up, trains across several routes were suspended or moving at a snail's pace due to flooding on tracks, leading to overcrowding at stations. A woman lost her leg as she fell on a railway track in Navi Mumbai because of the chaos and confusion there. Then, at least 50 flights were cancelled and 27 were diverted in the city. At Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, low visibility resulted in the suspension of runway operations. Now, the news is not very good. The IMD is predicting moderate to heavy rainfall through the day today, the evening as well, and has issued a warning for heavy rains across the state for the next 3 to 4 days. My colleague Shivani today was at Marine Drive and sent us this report.
Heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected in the economic capital of India, Mumbai, and as of now we are reporting from the Marine Drive area where high tide right now is going on. As you can see through the lenses of George, you will understand that how there is a police vehicles over here at the Marine Drive to ask people not to come at the sea.
Meanwhile, Maharashtra's Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who barely a month ago had...
Sure, and interestingly, a 4.40 meter of high tide is going on right now.
...proclaimed Mumbai to be monsoon ready, today asked citizens not to step out unless strictly necessary. That's what the Chief Minister has been reduced to. Listen in.
ये बारिश जो है ये कम समय में गिरी है और जो पूरी तरह व्यवस्था जो है कैरिंग कैपेसिटी है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा कई गुना ज़्यादा ये बारिश हुई है और इसलिए रेलवे के ट्रैक पे भी पानी आया है। पंप रेलवे ने 200 पंप लगाया है, 480 पंप कारपोरेशन के है, वो पूरी तेज़ी से काम कर रहे हैं और पानी फेंकने का काम शुरू है। और अभी आपने देखा कि ट्रेन भी ऐसा सब शुरुआत हुई है और सब जगह पे जो जो वाटर लॉगिंग वाले स्पॉट है बीएमसी के बड़े अधिकारी जो वरिष्ठ है वो वहाँ खड़े हैं, वो भी दिखाई दिया। और इसलिए पूरी सिस्टम जो है स्टेट डिजास्टर, रेलवे, एनडीआरएफ और बीएमसी ये पूरी तरह इसको फेस करने के लिए पूरी तरह अलर्ट है।
Let me go straight across to my colleague Shweta, who is joining us from the Andheri subway. Hi Shweta, good evening and thank you very much for being part of the show. Can I ask you first things first, whether it is still raining in Mumbai and what's the traffic situation? Because you know, the last thing I would want to, the last place actually I would want to be is in the middle of traffic on a rainy day in the city of Mumbai. What is it like right now?
Well, absolutely, Shreya. In fact, it's heavy downpour what Mumbai has been witnessing. In fact, let me quickly cut across you to the visuals. Now, remember, this is a well-known place. This is Andheri subway. You can see the traffic disruption has already taken place. In fact, Sachin is showing you the live visuals of Andheri subway. However, see what capture visuals. In fact, what visuals we are capturing on lenses. The cops are helping an elderly citizen, in fact, to move away from this inundated place. This entire place has been waterlogged and barricaded. Remember, here we are able to see the traffic congestion. I will quickly move around. Sir, just a minute, sir. Just one important thing I will ask to people what they have been saying. Just
पिछले 25 साल से इसका यही नियम है, कोई चेंजिंग नहीं है मैडम।
मैडम हर साल का अंधेरी सबवे पे यही है, यही मैटर है, यही लुक है। आपको हर बार बारिश होगी, 10 मिनट की बारिश में, 15 मिनट की बारिश में ये भर जाता है सबवे, अंधेरी सबवे भर जाता है। हर साल का प्रॉब्लम है। ये बीएमसी को साफ करना चाहिए नाला। आप लोग देख रहे हो,
बिल्कुल हाँ, नाला भरा।
लोगों को दिक्कत हो रही है। ऑफिस छुटने का टाइम होता है, लोगों को दिक्कत होती है, लोगों को जाने आने नहीं होता है।
एक मिनट, हम इनसे भी बात करेंगे। सर, कितना कितना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है? आपका जॉब और ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है?
हम लोग का डिलीवरी नहीं होता मैम, हम लोग का डिलीवरी बहुत कम होता है। हम लोग का क्या होता है, हम लोग को 10 रुपये मिल रहा है, 15 रुपये मिल रहा है, हम लोग बहुत मुश्किल से। अभी भी देख सकते हैं इतना बारिश हो रहा है।
कहाँ कहाँ पानी भरा है? वैसे आप पूरी मुंबई में ट्रैवल करते हैं?
अभी भी बहुत बारिश हो रहा है, पवई में भी भरा है, इधर ही भरा है, तो पानी बहुत हो रहा है।
सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, हर साल का बात है जब अंधेरी सबवे हमेशा भर जाता है, आप लोगों को दिक्कत होती है। सर, बीएमसी कई बार दावा करती है कि नाला सफाई हुई है, आप इसे कैसे देखते हैं?
नाला सफाई के बीएमसी का काम, शिवसेना का काम तो बहुत अच्छा है। यहाँ पे शिवसेना बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है।
एक मिनट सर, ओके फाइन। वेल श्रेया, दिस इज द ग्राउंड रियलिटी. In fact, it's still raining amid heavy downpour. One can see kind of traffic disruption which has taken place. Sachin, you can show first this side how vehicles are in fact in significant trouble they are when they are getting to learn that Andheri subway has been closed for commuting, and of course the pedestrian are finding it too difficult. Shreya, honestly, this is a great difficult time where pedestrians are at utmost risk because they do not know the next step would land them onto a road or to a drainage. This is the most risky time where we see that the pedestrian are risking their life. And here we are showing you exclusive visuals of the Andheri subway. The BMC has informed us that it has been closed due to heavy water logging. But every year when BMC says that they are ready for monsoon, first heavy rain has failed all their claims.
Okay. We'll leave it there for the moment. Shweta, thank you very much for joining us and showing us what the subway is looking like. Honestly, roads in Mumbai today are resembling rivers. You can't make out the difference in the dark. Now, despite the Chief Minister's assurance the city is drowning, you've just seen pictures of that, and the opposition is calling him out on it. Uddhav Sena leader Priyanka Chaturvedi, in fact, took to social media platform X to criticize the Chief Minister, questioning his pre-monsoon inspections, and he's done many of them. In fact, State Congress Chief Nana Patole too accused the Chief Minister of corruption and prioritizing photo ops over effective flood management. In fact, joining me right now is Priyanka Chaturvedi. Priyanka, aren't you Mumbaikas honestly tired of seeing the same script play year after year, grand promises being made before the monsoon season, and they're all rained out after the first shower?
There is a definite way out of this circle only if the political party at the helm is committed to it. We must realize the backdrop of this as well. For the last 2 years, BMC has not seen any election. And we don't have any corporator who we can hold accountable or corporators holding the BMC accountable. Just a month before the rains were to arrive, we had the Chief Minister going and doing these various photo ops at various nalas to show desilting work is on and drainage work is on and ensuring that there is no drain blockage. But what we are seeing right now is clearly an inability for them to ensure that the execution to a job they've taken at hand and what they're responsible for is done to the fullest strength possible. And what is also unfortunate is we can understand if there is a lot of rain, rain which has not seen, record-breaking rain. Mumbai had seen the entire 26th July rains that happened, where rains were recorded up to 600 mm. We are at 300 mm. Post that there were a lot of lessons that were learned. Post that there were stormwater drains that were set up. How many of them are functional today? How many of the the drains that we see are clear today? So those are questions that need to be asked. Even if basic work and checks and balances were in place and there was some accountability mechanism in place, we could hold the corporation accountable and be able to answer to the citizens. What citizens continue to face is a deluge of rain, and there is water which is just not, being able to be drained out. We've seen subways submerged. If you remember, in 2020, Milan subway had created history that there was absolute no, subway which was closed or there was flooding at the subway because we had worked towards it. We had pumping stations working and ensuring that there was absolutely no issue with regards to heavy rains, and we were prepared for this monsoon. It's not happening now, and that is the unfortunate part.
No, here's the point. You speak about the 26 July floods. The fact is, in the years since those floods, your party, the Shiva Sena, has been in power for several of them. Doesn't accountability then rest with all parties then, instead of blaming the party which is in power right now? This is Mumbai's hal year after year, irrespective of which party is in power.
No, I can totally understand that everybody should be held accountable. Well, that is absolutely all right. But we also need to understand the kind of rains, and rains clashing with the high tide is also an issue. Let's not forget that 26th July that we faced was not just because of record-breaking rains, but also a high tide that Mumbai was seeing. So we learned lessons from that. We learned preparedness from that. It is not coming through what we're seeing right now in the past 2 years. And again, I say, okay, everybody's held accountable, everyone's answerable. But right now, who's being held accountable? Who is answerable? Who is handling the BMC? Who is supposed to be asking them questions? Where should a citizen go? Citizen cannot go to a ward officer because the ward officer has not been, put in place. The transfers have been stopped. There are so many wards which do not have ward officers. There were elected corporators 2 years ago. There are none now. So my point is just, while we talk about the blame game, of course, we will answer all those queries as well. That why is it that it's a perennial problem in Mumbai? But the larger question is that when you also see these challenges, where is accountability? Where is accountability? And they're pumping, they're borrowing money from the BMC. The state government is pulling in money from the BMC, where BMC funds are also, if you go to see how they're being misused and mismanaged, is something that is a strong indicator of how corruption rules over ensuring that citizens get due services.
Priyanka, we leave it there for the moment. I think the viewers across the country are seeing what Mumbai has been reduced to with just one shower of rain. And I think they know where the buck stops, even if the politicians don't. Thank you very much, Priyanka, for joining us.